peeps, it's Anna here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to be dealing with the grade 9 Natural Sciences Matter and Materials question taken from the November 2013 ECE question paper. So let's get to it. We're looking at question 10 in this question paper, and which is based on this extract right here that we need to read in order to answer the questions that follow. So let's read it real quick. It says that Shanti's father had a small accident driving his car. There was a very small dent and some paint got scraped off. After a few days, she noticed that rust had started to form where the paint had been scraped off. And the first part of the question says, explain the cause of rust. Now, rust forms when iron in metal is exposed to atmospheric oxygen and water. When this reacts in an oxidation reaction, it forms iron oxide, which is called rust. Okay, so it was the exposed iron in the metal which reacted with water and oxygen in the air in an oxidation reaction to form iron oxide, which is the rust. Okay, so as a natural sciences student, what advice would you give to Shanti's father? Well, first of all, we would need to stop the oxidation reaction from continuing. You'd have to remove the rusted area, or remove the rust rather, to stop the process. And to prevent it from restarting, you would have to coat the exposed part with a new layer of paint. This would create a barrier between the iron and the atmospheric water and oxygen, which causes the rust to form. Alright, that's all for question number 10. But before I go, I'd like to send a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read about them in the description below. You can head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.